My name's Emily Anderson, and I'm doing post-production with BBC. Well, I just finished school last year, and I decided to move over to the UK. I'm from the States originally, and I was just trying to get by really in a basic low-level job working at a pub, and then I came across the apprenticeship, and it was right up my alley, really. Going to university. I'm sure a lot of people would agree with me on that one. I'm very hands-on, I suppose. I like the idea of on-the-job training, but also being able to earn a qualification at the same time. And it's really just the start of a career, I suppose, for me, doing what I want to do. And I'm going to be, a step ahead of all of my friends, I suppose, who are currently in university.